Hey Jarvis,
Hello, Mr. Stark. Welcome. Feel free to ask me anything.
what's the weather report today?
This task is in progress. I will notify you when it's done. Working on it, sir. One moment, please. We're preparing your weather report. Enter the name of city, sir. Just a bit more time and it will be all set. The current weather is partly cloudy with a moderate breeze, creating windy conditions. Temperatures are comfortable, and humidity levels are moderate. Sunlight breaks through the clouds occasionally, but ultraviolet radiation is high, so sun protection is recommended.